After nearly 6 decades of guiding investors with his words and wisdom, legendary investor Warren Buffett has written what many call his farewell letter to shareholders. At 94, the man known to millions as the Oracle of Omaha says he's going quiet. A simple line, yet one that marks the end of a remarkable era in the world of investing. For almost 60 years, Buffett's annual letters to Berkshire Hathaway shareholders have been more than corporate updates. They've been part financial gospel, part life lesson, offering timeless advice on patience, honesty, and doing business the right way. But this year's letter was different. It carried the unmistakable tone of a goodbye, reflective, humble, and deeply personal. Buffett wrote candidly about growing older. He admitted his vision, hearing and memory aren't what they used to be, but said he still goes to the office 5 days a week because, as he put it, he simply loves what he does. The legendary investor assured shareholders that Berkshire Hathaway's future remains in capable hands. He expressed complete faith in his successor, Greg Abel, calling him the right man to lead the company ahead. Buffett also said he won't be selling his shares anytime soon, choosing instead to stay invested until the transition feels complete and shareholders feel confident. Even in his farewell note, Buffett's focus was on values, not valuations. He reminded readers that one good decision can change everything, and that mistakes, when acknowledged and corrected, build stronger foundations. True to his lifelong philosophy of giving, Buffett revealed he has donated over $1.3 billion worth of Berkshire shares to his family foundations. It's a part of his ongoing promise to give away most of his fortune, proving once again that generosity for him is not an event but a way of life. There was little talk of profits and predictions this time. Instead, there was perspective from a man who has seen markets rise, fall, and rise again. He urged companies and leaders to act decisively when faced with problems, to stay transparent, and to never compromise integrity for short-term gain. Buffett wrote, "Choose your heroes carefully and then emulate them." It's a reminder to the next generation that wisdom matters more than wealth, and character will always outlast market cycles. After 6 years of shaping how the world thinks about money, Warren Buffett's final letter isn't just a goodbye to shareholders. It's a gentle handover, a quiet passing of the torch. He also fondly remembered his longtime friend and business partner, Charlie Munger, calling him a wise teacher and protective big brother. It's been 2 AGMs since Munger's passing, but Buffett's words reflected how deeply he still feels that void. The bond between the two legends went far beyond business, built on trust, respect, and shared values. And as Buffett signs off with his trademark humility, he leaves behind not just a business empire, but a moral compass for generations to come. His final words, "I'm going quiet, sort of." Bureau Report, Business Today TV.